is yours? Oh, yeah, it's yours.
Guys, I'd back up.
I'm gonna hide behind Raj.
Okay, you can move forward just a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you know how to do this. Put the pin in when you're moving this way. Count down and on 1 or on 0 rather.
Oh, double. I can't.
All right, say it loud.
Oh, I see.
All right, guys, here we go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hooray!
That's not good.
Okay, so let's take it off for a second. We're gonna have people stay back on this. Pull the safety pin out of it, please. Okay.
Are the pins in contact with the plate?
You are. Okay, so you're short circuit, the pin's out, right?
Right.
Bomb defused.
5 seconds. Come on.
Anybody?
Yeah.
I'm afraid that's gonna go off right into his eyes.
Okay, let's try that one more time. We got a short circuit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hooray! We're gonna have 100 photos of this just sitting here.